Hello friends of creative gardening! Today I show you a plant that looks like out of a fairy tale. It is light, elegant, lively and tireless. It is called Gomphrena Truffula Pink, certainly selected by proven winners. With these globe-shaped, deep pink flowers, Truffula Pink adds height, movement and lasting color to any arrangement. This plant is so very special. Its slender, upright stems move in the wind, creating a dynamic effect which is irresistible to the eyes and bees too. This Gomphrena is easy to grow and very heat resistant. It has a perfectly balanced growth behavior that displays a huge amount of hot pink pom-poms. The performance in hot and humid climate zones is truly outstanding, and it is absolutely tireless in flowering. Truffula Pink is perfect for large containers, sunny flower beds and landscape borders. A stunning picture, for example, if you plant it in mass for a cloud of motion and color that moves with every breeze. Which is a very nice side effect. The flowers hold beautifully when dried, so you can even bring them indoors for everlasting arrangements. You know why you will love Truffula Pink? I can give you several reasons. One is because it flowers all summer long without ever stopping. Two, because it is extremely resistant to heat and drought, wind and rain. Three, and this is so important to us garden lovers, they are pollinator magnets. Bees and butterflies love them. So Gompphrenas are the perfect plants for a healthy, natural and sustainable garden. And like every proven winner's plant, Truffula Pink is robust, reliable and always performing, even when others give up. Please tell us in the comments where you would plant Truffula Pink and what you would combine it with. Then like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more spectacular plants from proven winners, which you know is the best for every green space. Bye dear garden friends, see you next time!